at Browning Road Elementary School, and today we're here to... Today we're at Browning Road Elementary School, and I've got Nancy with me. How are you?
Good.
All right. Now, I was just asking you if you know what prime and composite numbers are, and what did you say?
No.
You have no idea, right? Okay. Do you know what an even and an odd number is? Okay. Give me an example of an even number.
5? No, that's an odd.
That's an odd, right? So, okay, so here's what we'll do. We'll go odd, 5. What about an even number?
2?
2. Can you give me another even number?
4?
Another one?
6?
Okay. What about another odd number?
Another odd number would be 1?
Okay. Can you give me another one? How old are you?
9.
You're 9. Do you think that's even or odd?
Even or odd? Odd.
Well, which one is it? You said both. Your second thing was right, though. Odd, right? Okay. So look, you can count by odd numbers, right? 1, 3, 5, 7.
9.
What's next?
11.
There you go, right? So what about even numbers?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
You got it, right? Okay. So there's the difference between even and odd. Okay. Now, prime and composite talks about the factors that are in it. Okay. A prime number will only have 1 and the number itself. Okay. That's a simplified version. 1 and the number itself makes it a prime number. If it's composite, it has 1, the number itself, and other factors in it. Okay. So let's take a look at this first number you had, 5. What numbers can evenly go into 5? Can 1 go into 5? Yes. Okay. Can any other number go into 5? What number?
2?
Can it go in evenly? Like 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is
6.
6. So 5 isn't going to be composite, is it? Okay.
No.
Only 1 and 5 go into that. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll say that 5 is a prime number, because what numbers go into 5?
1.
And 5. And that's it, right? Only 1 and 5 go into it. Okay. So let's take a look at your last number here, 6. What numbers go into 6?
1.
1,
6.
6, if it's an even number, you know what else can go into it.
2.
2, right? 2 can go into it. How many times does 2 go into 6?
3.
3 times, right? So we have more than 1 in the number, don't we? There's other factors. So 6 is what type of number?
A composite?
A composite.
Composite.
Number, okay? So now, what I'd like you to do is think of a 2-digit number.
Okay.
And go ahead and write it on the board as soon as you've got it. Any number you like, as long as it has 2 digits in it. 20. All right. By looking at that, do you think that's prime or composite?
Composite.
You're pretty confident in that, huh? All right. So it's composite? All right. Why is it composite? How can you prove that to me?
Because you could multiply it and by most different numbers.
Put down some of the numbers that you can multiply it by.
4. And
So 4 times what? How does 4 go in there?
4 times 5.
Okay, so put a comma and put a 5, right? Because we have 4 and 5.
And then 10. And then 2.
Good.
And then
We always have 1, right? 1 and what?
20.
Okay, so write those down. We don't want to forget those. So it has the 1 and the number itself, and it has other numbers, right? It has other factors that go into it. So where does 20 go? Prime or composite?
Composite.
All right, put it up there. All right, we'll let you select one more number. All right, what one would you like now? All right, what do you think?
1, 30.
Okay, so far it satisfies both, right? Because it has the number and itself, the 1. Okay.
And then, 10 and 3.
Okay, and there are other numbers that go into that also, but do we need to know any more? We can tell right now what it is, right? What is it?
A composite.
Composite number, so go ahead and put 30 up there for composite. So I'm going to select the last one, okay? What do we already know goes into it?
1 and then 13.
Okay, so go ahead and write those up there. Can anything else go in there, do you think?
Yeah. We can.
Count by twos for me.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14.
13's not going to be an even number, is it? So we know 2's not going to go in there. What about 3? Count by threes.
3, 6, 8,
Well, 3, 6,
9,
9, 12,
12,
15.
15.
Not going to go by threes. What about 4s?
4, 8,
12,
12,
16. 5s,
5, 10, 15.
6,
6, 12, and
18.
18.
That's not going to work, is it?
No.
Should we keep going, or what are we going to know here? Because once we got the 6, we're not going to be able to do anything after that one, because otherwise it would have to be something with that. Okay, so what do you think 13's going to be?
Prime.
Write it up there. All right, Nancy, so now you've got a little bit better understanding of prime and composite? Nice work.